Here is how to withdraw your dollars from the Bamboo app directly to your Nigerian bank account. Once you have opened your Bamboo app and you have logged in using your passcode or your biometrics, so you tap the account tab or you select withdraw directly from your home screen. So whichever one. After selecting it, you select your USD wallet as the account you want to withdraw from. You choose withdraw to Nigerian bank account as your destination. The app will display the current USD to naira exchange rate for your transfer. Enter the dollar amount you want to withdraw, or you can tap withdraw all. Then you select your linked Nigerian bank account, or you can equally tap add a new bank account if you haven't added one yet. Review your transfer breakdown and the exchange rates and the final naira amount. Then you tap proceed, enter your 4-digit transaction PIN to authorize the transfer and hit confirm. Your withdrawal request is now submitted and you will be credited to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Thank you for watching and goodbye until the next video.